my 4th time here, and it never disappoints. You like to deer hunt, you like to drink wine, and you like to eat good food, and you also get to enjoy California, the good parts. All right, so we're looking for an oil temperature right around 400 degrees. We are right there. All right, we're gonna go in some flour, some seasoned flour. We're gonna go into some egg wash. And then we're going to go right in to a panko that's seasoned with Parmesan cheese and some seasoning. Then we'll go right into the oil. I'm going to finish it in the smoker with the Parmesan, with the mozzarella. Here. Then I'm going to put this right on the smoker and melt the mozzarella and finish it off. Soaks up the water real good.
How did you come up with this marinara sauce?
Grocery store.
Old family recipe.
Old family recipe. Gotta have a glass. Cheers in the middle. Everybody got a glass? Cheers. All right, let's eat.
Oh my gosh.
Ready.